It's here, and after over 6 months of work, we are ready to announce. Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and I am super excited to announce that we have finally put together some of the merch that we've talked about, that others have asked us about, that we've been really working on for over 6 months. It's hard to believe that this has been a passion, a love, a journey, an experience, just trying to put something what we thought was going to be simple together. Um, Probably around October of last year. Then after we explored what we wanted, did the stuff, all that stuff, then it came back to, oh my gosh, how do we make this happen? So I'm excited to announce we are launching our store. It's outside of Etsy. This is specific to Guys Craft 2. It's about merchandise related to our brand, who we are, and just our mark, our take on the quilting world. So if you've wanted to purchase a Guys Craft 2 shirt or other merchandise, we have it available now, and it is in our store at shop.guyscraft2.com. And so there will be a link below. If you feel so desire to join and do so, great. If not, that's fine too. But that's what this video is about, introducing our new line. So part of that is a sticker package, and that's how this came to start, really. So we've got the Guys Craft 2 sticker, right? I mean, that's who we are. That's where all this started. But then we evolved that into Sew, SCW Much Love, Made with Heart by Guys Craft 2. And again, these are all 2-inch stickers. This is sewing is for everyone, Guys Craft 2. And it is about an inclusive environment, right? So what better time to launch and talk about our new merchandise than Pride Month. And finally, I'm not a hoarder. I rescue fabric, Guys Craft 2. So if you would like to support the channel, support us, and grab some of these stickers, they are available in our store. We are selling them as a set. It's $5 per set. That includes postage, and they ship out within a couple of days of being ordered. And so, guys, there they are. All 4 stickers. If you want a better view of them, jump over to the store, shop, S-H-O-P, .guyscraft2 and take a look. But we have some other merch that we ended up evolving from that, right? So one of those would be this shirt that says, Real Men Match Seams. And so you can get our different slogans, our different take on quilting. You can get that on our store site. This one is Certified Fabric Smuggler. And these just really called out to us, these designs. But again, it's why it's been a 6-month love, hate, passion project for us, right? There was just more here than we ever thought it was going to take. This one is one of my favorites. It says, I speak fluent, seam ripper. Well, crap, that'll buff out. Nobody saw that. Again, just something to provide the humor, frustration, excitement, all the things that come in the quilting world. And then our stickers actually are available on shirts, right? Sewing is for everyone. I think that says who we are, talks about being inclusive. I'm not going to take these off the hanger. This one is So Much Love, right? And this one is I'm Not a Hoarder, I Rescue Fabric, Guys Craft 2, right? And then the last one that I didn't show you is one that we had hoped to originally have ready for our retreat. Didn't work, but it says Retreat Hair, Just Don't Care, right? Because it's about again, just having fun and being who we are. So guys, this is a shameless plug to talk about our new store. You know, we've started channel memberships. We only did that because I had folks reaching out saying, hey, we'd like to do more things to support the channel. After going to QuiltCon in Phoenix over a year ago, realizing that so many people had stickers and everyone was asking us for stickers, we thought, you know what, we need to create a sticker. And that was simple enough based on our logo, but then we decided we want some stickers to reflect who we are. And as such, I have gifted all of my moderators a set of stickers because they're just awesome. They rock, and I wanted to show how much we appreciate the fact that they're here all the time on the channel, watching and helping facilitate, moderate, dropping links, doing all the things that they do. So we did drop them a set of stickers already. So now that we're live and going out there, guys, support us however you see fit. I appreciate you just joining the channel regularly. I appreciate the chat so much. If you choose to buy something through the merchandise store, that's amazing. If you choose to just shop and not buy anything, that's amazing too, because that's not just who we are. So we are providing different avenues, different mechanisms, but all of us come from different spaces and different places, and that's what's important to us. So thanks for dropping in. Thanks for being a subscriber. Thanks for being a channel member, supporting the channel. And for new subscribers, welcome. And this is not something that we will do on a regular basis, but it was just important to us that we get something out there that talks about who we are as a team, and be able to allow others to reflect that. So that opportunity is there, and we hope that you appreciate the work that has gone into this over the last few months. Guys, as always, until next time, happy crafting! Uh-oh.